Oh, I'm sorry, is it not on here? Oh my gosh. I literally just bought the bike like 2 weeks ago, and the paper plate literally must have flown off here.
Check on it. Do you have your license?
Yes, sir. That really stinks. I just installed this kit literally this morning. Well, not 2 seconds after I finished up filming this video, I look behind me and I'm getting pulled over by a motorcycle cop. So I'm thinking, dang, what did I do? I don't think I was speeding that much. You know, I really couldn't think of anything crazy that I did, but I went ahead and stopped for him, talked to him, asked him, you know, if he minded telling me why he pulled me over, and he said, "You don't have a license plate." And I said, "Yes, I do. You know, I still have the temporary paper plates that the DMV gives you when you first buy a motorcycle, because as you guys know on this channel, we just picked up this bike about 3 weeks ago." He said, "I'm telling you, you don't have a license plate, and it looks like something's broken back there." I'm thinking, oh no, I just bought the NRC thing. I told the guy, I'm like, "Man, you're not going to believe me. I know it probably sounds like I'm lying, but I just put on this whole license plate relocation bracket with the new tail tidy kit literally this morning." And I look back at this thing, and it looks like the bolts that hold in both the LED light for the license plate and hold in the license plate themselves got loose, came out, and bye-bye went my license plate. So here I am, riding dirty, not meaning to. Thankfully, he was pretty cool and understanding. He let me go with the warning and just said, "Hey, your new license plate should be coming here soon." And I asked him, I said, "Well, I don't have a plate. What do I do until then?" He said, "Well, he can't tell me what to do, but basically he said it's illegal to ride without a license plate, and I'm probably going to get pulled over a few more times until the plate comes." So we will see. Hopefully the license plate shows up soon and we can get it all squared away, because the last thing I want is to keep getting pulled over. Thankfully, I don't drink and ride or anything like that, so I never have to worry about being drunk on the motorcycle or, you know, anything. And obviously we have insurance and current registration and all that good stuff here on the As Josh Sees It channel, so not worried about that. Just don't like being hassled by police when we don't need to be. So there you go. We will see how quickly this plate comes. And yeah, super thankful that this police officer gentleman was cool and understanding, because he could have written me a ticket, I think, for riding around without a license plate, but an honest mistake. And hopefully this doesn't speak to the quality of the NRC license plate brackets themselves. So we'll see. Excited to give you guys updates along the way. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. Till we meet again, peace.